Here I have LG Q6 and let me show you how to test the hardware features on the following phone. So in just a few steps you can have access to the hardware test. Let's find and select the settings icon right here. Here you have to choose the general, scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose Smart Doctor. It's located under phone management, and here you can choose test hardware. So you can here test a couple of things, for example the light sensor, the proximity sensor, and you may choose one of the following tests, or you can choose test all. Let me tap it. Now the device is making sure that all the hardware features are in a good shape. So that's it. As you can see, all hardware works fine, so you can go back and use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.